My name is J. Kranti Kumar, alumni of Balayesu English Medium High School, Devurupla, Jangam district. My project name is Raitu Bandhu, the organic farming machine, future of our agriculture. My mother is a farmer. She really faced difficulties to get the agriculture labours. At the same time, the wages are too high to offer. To overcome this problem and to help my mother, I have designed this Raitu Bandhu, the organic farming machine. The main facilities of the machine are the intercultivator, the weeder, bio-pesticide sprayer, liquid fertilizer sprayer, Jeevamrutam, and to pluck vegetables and fruits from the sideways. Coming to the construction, we have used a simple mechanism by using the everyday usage material. It is a 4-bar mechanism that employs 2 wheels in the front and 2 driven wheels on the back. A tool head is positioned in the front. It can turn around the soil for providing better air or nitrogen to the roots of this plant, which is known as intercultivation. And the weed removal will remove the weed which grows from time to time. Weeds will serve important nutrition of the plant, hence they should be removed. And the centrally hanging base contains 3 containers, namely bio-pesticide sprayer, liquid fertilizer sprayer, Jeevamrutam. Electrical pump sprays one of these liquid as per the requirement of the farmer. Coming to the rear part, it has a arrangement for the farmer to sit and control all the mechanisms by using the switches on this control panel. By sitting comfortably, he can pluck fruits and vegetables from the sideways, and he can go around the field and observe the field without stepping into the field and without any tire. Finally, coming to the machine, one person can make the work of the 4 people with ease. My innovation is to design and implement feasible mechanisms to bring down the cost of agricultural produce and to bring down the count of farmer suicides, which is very high in Telangana. Future scope of our project is to water the plants automatically, which is an alternative to the drip irrigation, and to apply the fertilizers as per schedule programmed into the memory of the organic machine, and to apply pesticides when pests are noticed, and to do the job of the agriculture without any human intervention by fully automation.